Harbin got me light up balloons for my birthday. Oh, and,
adorable.
oh my, oh, that's my sir. A pony,
Oh my
pony,
goodness.
pony, pony.
Oh, this hiney. Oh, look at this hiney. Oh, there
So
we go.
handsome.
What is this lady? Hey,
Hippie schmatty.
tell my wife that I love with all my heart. Happy birthday, have a good day. Like I was like,
Hippie schmatty. Hippie schmatty. Hippie schmatty. Yeah, I'm just gonna make little update videos and stick it on everybody.
oh, you feel better?
Oh my god. Oh, she's crazy. What a sweet man. What a sweet man. He's a sweet man. I sure love you, Bubba. Oh, I can hear someone. Oh, little baby. Oh, we never get a little. Okay. Are you ready? Because now it's like, oh look, here's our house. This is our house because, you know, it's our house and it's green. And look, her house is tan. Until it's the same color. What's happening? Oh, Caroline, is that you, sir? I nibble his beard. I'm gonna nibble it. So crazy, so crazy. Hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Lila, come back. Lila, come back. You can blame it all on me. Wonder if I get copywritten for me horribly singing a song. That was okay. That was very controlled zoomies. Is that your sir? I got the zoomies, sir. I got the zoomies. I gotta go. Oh man, she's adorable and terrifying. Lily. She's so scary. Not even like she's gonna bite, like she's just gonna shove all her feet in your mouth and run over your face. It's time. It's gotta go. Too much.
About you, lady. One of these ones.
It's a love hug. Okay, so everything's happened really quick, but our house sold and we're moving back to New York. Oh my god, it's so crazy. I was like, I'm gonna vlog every second of this, and it didn't even go on the market. God, I'm so late. I'm always so fucking late everywhere I go. Oh well. At least I'm consistently late. The fuck is that? Oh, it's a hole. Can't say I'm gonna miss thinking all I see are scorpions and black widows. That's weird. There was a for rent house on the sale. For sale house. Oh my god. Oh no, there is. So I'm going to get that checked out too. Okay, I'm getting a brain scan because my head and my words are not working. All right, I'll give you a list. I'm going to miss the dryness faux show and the shelter where we literally walk in and it's like, hey guys, hear about this one, hear about that one, who are you videoing today, how's everything going? I've never here felt so like just genuinely cared about. Oh god, I was like, shit, I'll have my clip. I have one clip for this little hairdo. They are the most genuine, beautiful people. I'm gonna miss them. The dogs, I can't really think about leaving yet. So we have about 8, I think, left. And I really hope that they're pushing and fighting and trying to get them out. We don't just go and film and go and film and go and film. We go and we film, and then we're like, oh, what about the ones that we filmed before? And then we'll go back and see them, and now we've got 3, and now we've got 6, and then there's 9, and then there's like 12 more because this one's being put to sleep, and this one was returned, and this one has a really horrible story, and let's get that story out. And it's like, but wait, we still have the original 10. Gotta go get them out. Oh. Number 1, what I am not going to miss is the traffic and the people and how they drive. I gotta get the fuck out of this place. It's aging me. It's stressing me. It's making me think that I have a brain tumor because I can't focus. I don't know if I'm going to make it out alive today. I'm just being honest. Anyway, the shelter is the only area I'm going to miss, but I also hate it because the way it's run just makes me want to die all the time. All the time. I'm always chasing my tail, terrified someone's going to be put on a list, terrified someone else is going to get involved and shove them into some shit home, or that person will then end up not being able to keep them because they just took them because they were like, oh my god, I didn't want the dog to die, so I just took it. But I have 56 other dogs and I don't have room for this dog, and one dog just ate the other dog, and my cat just killed my chicken, and you know, I don't even have a house. I just live under a tent under the freeway because this place is full of homeless people, and I'm one of them, and I forgot to tell you. Signing out, Arizona. Let me know if you hate this kind of shit. If you just can't stand me, like, because that's just how I feel lately. Gave my notice. That felt good. But yeah, so that's all I'm gonna miss. Our house is really cool. I love it. I'm not thrilled with where it is, but that's a whole other fucking kabobble. That, like, I bought the house because it was near people who I've been like friends and family with for 20 years, and all of a sudden that just went to like shit because my best friend starts dating some girl that's like, yeah, Nicole is cool, and then all of a sudden Nicole's not cool, and then bye goes Nicole. What? No more? Okay. Cool. Thanks. And you know what? I don't even blame her. I blame all of them. Like, they were my friends, my family for 20 years. I came here because they were here, because this is where I would visit on my vacations. This is where I spent like my time. And then I move out here, I'm like, this is gonna be great. We'll have holidays together. We'll have birthdays together. Like, this is how it should be. We should all be together. And then, gone. Always pick the lane that stops moving. There goes our dresser. This is really happening. What's happening? Is everything that was on the dresser. My girl. So we're not even sure if we're getting the house that we're hoping that we're getting. We're gonna act like we have jobs and a place to go, and that this isn't insane. Whatever. Pack in.
Waiting for the party.
Well, that's a look. I don't know if I hate it.
We're still waiting.
Are you annoyed? Oh. I'm living for this one. Oh my god, this is everything.
I'm just a loser, shouldn't be with you.
Feel alone anymore? And then we beat in the eggs one at a time.
You see it? What are you doing with your light on? No, baby, no.